Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time visiting. I am Candace Ray, and today we're going to be getting ready. So you probably will see this a couple days after it happens. However, today is the day before my birthday, and it is my arts and class event where I am going to be teaching how to do a full face but make it look natural while everybody sip a little bit, snack a little bit. I'm getting ready and I literally do not have that much time. So I'm going to try to make this as quick and as cute as possible. So because I'm teaching everybody how to do a natural face, there's no eyeshadow, there's no highlighting, there's no contouring and stuff like that. So I'm going to mimic what I'm doing in the class, but jazz it up for myself a little bit more because it is my birthday weekend. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to look popping all day long. I'm wearing bangs today because, I wore myself a little hair, you know what I mean? A little bit different, a little zhuzhed up, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm really going out this weekend, so I'm trying to be real cute. I'm trying to get somebody's son to notice me, you know what I mean? And I am still going to do my eyebrows, even though people are probably not going to see my eyebrows, but what's a makeup look without eyebrows? And I am going to fit in some footage from the class in here so you guys can see that in case you ever want to host your own, anything like that. So I am going to start off with my brows. And normally I don't really do my brows in my videos because I just feel like brows are brows. But I want to show you guys today because I am using a new product to me. It's not a new product, but it was on sale at Ulta. Sales at Ulta are very dangerous. This was on sale at Ulta. It's from Milani and it is Stay Put Brow Color, and I did get it in the color dark brown, and this is like 16-hour wear, and it comes with the brow gel, and it also comes with a dual spoolie and a brush on the end. Milani, you got some explaining to do. How I just take this? Y'all saw me take this out the pig. They real lucky this was $2.99. This was $2.99, so I'm not gonna roast you that bad, sis. Okay, you was $2.99. Let's see if it'll work. It's a little shaky, but it looks like it'll. It's cute. It's working real good. So let's just try to keep it upright, but we're gonna take it off when we use the brush part. I feel like this is lighter than dark brown. Like, this is not dark brown. It's like a grayish color when I put it on, and I'm not liking that. We are not going to use this. I'm going to take that off because this is not the color of my actual brows. So we are taking this off. Can't do it. Can't do it, sis. Can't do it. So I am just going to go with what I normally go with, or what I've started to go with. And I'm not sure if you guys have seen my Instagram story for Halloween when I was getting dressed up, but I did mention in there that I have started to do my brows with the espresso concealer from NYX, and literally it's like one of the best things I've ever used to fill in my brows, and it literally stays like all day and night. Like, whatever I'm doing, it just doesn't move. So I'm very satisfied with it. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I just tried to try something else, and it just did not work out in my favor. So Milani, you might need to check your color, sis. I don't know. Now that my brows are to where I want them and the color that I want them, we're going to move on to primer. So this is the primer that I'm going to be using in my class today, and it's e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer. And I've never used this primer. However, the goal for my class today is pretty much just to show people how to use foundation, what powder is used for. Am I ever going to get this off? What setting spray does, and basically how to just do their face and have it look as natural as possible. I am just teaching everybody how to be beautiful, one step at a time. And for my foundation today, I am going to be going in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the color Mocha. Previously, I definitely have used this before. I really do like this foundation, which is the reason that I bought it again we're gonna keep the momentum with things that we know. You know, trying new things is great. However, when you're trying to be real cute for your birthday, you cannot have eyebrows that are a different color. Okay? Yes, I am upset about that because that was not dark brown. It was taupe brown. Okay? Learn your colors, people. Learn your colors. I love how buildable this foundation is. Like, I don't have to put a lot on, and I can just put more on in the spots that I might need them, like the dark spots that I have over here, like on my chin and stuff like that. Like, those are the only real spots that I ever need more coverage in, and this is super buildable, which really helps so that you don't feel like you have to put so much on. And this is full coverage too. Don't worry about my edges not being together either, sis, because I ain't all the way ready. I'm getting here. This is a get ready with me. So if my edges ain't together, neither are yours. Like, and we just going to be edgeless and not together. I don't see a lot of people do this, but I put foundation on my eyelids when I am doing a most like natural look, because it helps you to bring your face together. When you do an eyeshadow look, you don't. But when I'm doing like my natural face that I like to do, when I do that, I definitely put foundation on my eyelids because it just helps your face be one color. Don't forget the neck, girl. Don't forget the neck. I don't feel like I need any more, so we're gonna move on. We're going to use our 16-hour camo concealer to highlight under the eyes. This concealer from e.l.f., like, honestly, this thing always, like, as much as I've been using it, and I literally just bought more because I like it. Like, I don't ever look tired whenever I use it. Like, never, ever look tired. So I love it. So we're going to let that dry down a tad. I'm going to contour, but very lightly. So I'm just going to take this Morphe Romance, and I'm going to just, because I don't have my precision brush, I don't know where I put it. So I'm just going to squeeze that, go here, and then I'll go over my nose after I do my concealer. Okay, I want it to be really precise with my nose contour because I want to look snatched when these bangs are on. Like, real. And so because I'm using this in my class today, I'm going to be using the Airspun Loose Face Powder, and it is in translucent. And I love the smell of this powder. Like, it's just very baby powder-ish. Like, it smells really good. I just put a little bit in the top, like literally a little bit. Like, a little bit of this goes a long way from what I have been using. And I'm just going to dip my black beauty sponge in there, and I'm going to go under my eye a little heavier and let it sit for like a couple seconds, and then I'm just going to go all over my face with the powder just to set everything. There's a little bit of a cast, but I've noticed that with this powder, there is no cast at all after like the setting spray, and it sets nicely with some setting spray. But I am really liking how my under eye is looking. I'm gonna go in with a little more contour just because I'm obnoxious. So while my eyelashes are drying, I'm going for a red lip today, and I'm going to line with this lip liner that I just got from the beauty supply store, and it's in the color orange red. So I was thinking of lining my under eye with it too, so I'm going to do that. I want to be a little spicy. Like, I want to be a little tamale today. Alright, so that's a little cute. I might fleek that out a little bit with some shadow. Let's put these lashes on. . 'Cause To fleek out my under eye just a little bit, I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill palette, and this color in here is like a reddish orange. It's called Hunts, and so I'm just going to try to use that to fleek it out a little bit so that it shows a little more. This is really doing it justice. This looks good. All right, take a little mascara, fleek out the bottom a bit with the lashes so that they come through. That's looking real cute. I'm gonna line a little bit just to conceal the lashes, not to really line my eyes. Right, so I'm just gonna blush and highlight. I'm going to take this, oh, I think it's Blazenberry in Wet n Wild. And I'm gonna take this same brush and I'm gonna go in with my Mega Glow highlighting powder in Crown of My Canopy from Wet n Wild as well. And I'm going to highlight the crap out of my face because y'all know, like, I literally love a highlight. Like, I like to look glowing. Even though I like for my foundation to look very matte, I like to glow like a star. Now for the last little piece, I'm just going to throw on some lipstick, and I'm just putting some chapstick on first because lipstick is drying. I'm still getting used to that with lipstick, even though I like love the colors and stuff, and I'm getting more into it. You guys know before, I'm still a gloss girl at heart. Like, I still really love a gloss, but as like my channel has grown and I have grown, I've learned and tried new things, and I know what brands of lipstick I really like at this point. I don't feel like this color is coming through as much as probably the chapstick, but it's fine. That's where we're gonna leave it, sis, because I'm not gonna be going over this 50 million times because I got to go. So I'm going in with Femme Rosa. This is Carucci and Color Pop. And I love this color on my chocolate skin. Let me tell you, I love it. So this is my look for today for my class. Lastly, I am going to put on some setting spray, and then I'm going to put my hair on, you know, show y'all my little bangs or whatever, and then I'm going to come back to finish out. So let me tell you guys, this does not have a label on it or anything like that because I made, oh gosh, I made this setting spray, and I researched, I looked, I asked, I did any and everything I could to make this because I personally made this for my class because I do want to try to have my own products and methods and ways of doing things. So I made this. Follow me on my Instagram and Snapchat at Candace Ray Can so you guys can see how my makeup is all day from this setting spray that I made. So this is the final look. I am all dressed and ready for my class. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little get ready with me. And I have to go. I have to get out of here because I have to get to my class. But happy birthday to me and all of the other November birthdays and all my fellow Scorpios. Nobody understands us, but y'all can't live without us. We the best lovers in the zodiac. Don't fight me on this. It's not a debate. This year has been such an eye-opening year for me. It's been a boss-up year. I am so thankful and grateful to God from where He has brought me from, where He is bringing me to, and also everything that He has done for me this year and beyond. I am super duper grateful. Thank you guys all for watching my channel. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being there for me. I really appreciate every single one of you for subscribing and for staying and for coming back. Don't forget that you can always catch me on my social media. I do little mini tutorials on my Instagram stories sometimes, so go on there. I'm at Candace Ray Can, also on my Snapchat and Twitter. And don't forget, my website is always popping according to CandaceRay.com. So if you can't catch me anywhere else, you can always catch me on my website. Also, go on the website and sign up for my email list so that you can know when there is a public arts in class or how to host your own, and I come out, bring the materials, and teach you and your family and friends how to get pretty. But thank you all so much for watching. See you later.